Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Batting first, the Barbados women were 140 for 3 after 40 overs against the defending champions, the Jamaica's women, in their third round Cricket West Indies regional Super 50 match at the Connery Sports Club in St. Kitts and Nevis. Asabi Calendar has so far on top scored with 54 for the Bajan women. Jamaica's women are looking to rebound from their second round defeat to Guyana's women. They had beaten Trinidad and Tobago's women in their opening match. Minister of Sport Olivia Grange says she has been given assurance that the National Stadium will be available to host the CONCACAF Champions Cup match on March 13 between Jamaica's Cavalier and Inter Miami. Minister Grange toured the facility on Thursday afternoon and had discussions with representatives of Recorton, which has been contracted to resurface the track.
Well, based on the work plan, I noticed that football, the date for the football, is also a part of that plan. So they have factored that in, which means that it will not delay the work, it will not affect the work going on.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.